I guess we'll start off with the frame. Frame is an Eastern Grim Reaper. I do believe it's 2013. And then we'll go to bars. Bsd Wza bars with a Odyssey Elementary stem. Forks are Demolition Elite, hold up really well, loving them. Peg is an animal, some fucking kind of peg.
Yeah, it's just missing the sleeve, I guess. Odyssey hub.
Odyssey Vanderno hub, laced to...
Alienation rim, isn't it?
Yes, alienation rim. No idea what the spokes are. So we'll come back to cranks. Cranks, Justin, you know.
Eclat Tibias.
Eclat Tibias with a Sunday Knox guard sprocket. With Odyssey Twisted PC Blueberry Smoke pedals. And I also have a Odyssey Quadrant stock back wheel with
Odyssey peg, yeah.
an Odyssey peg.
What's that seat?
A Subrosa,
Whatever the name
I
is.
forget it.
Something like the team seat or something like that.
Yeah. Alright, let's get this back inside.